everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Payoneer. So to get started, let's open Chrome browser as it is not possible on Wise app. So let's open on Chrome browser. Here enter payoneer.com. It will open this interface. Now tap on profile icon. It will open this interface. Now tap on support center. To navigate you to this interface, here scroll down and tap on send payment withdraw to bank. It will open this interface. Scroll down, here tap on any one of link. Let me tap on how do I apply for request a payment service. It will open this interface. Here scroll down and click on contact us. Now you can see options like live chat, send message. So we are here to go live. Let's go to live chat and here enter your problem. As you can see, type your message. Here enter your problem. As we are not able to go live, so enter your live chat problem. So it will definitely reply you within a day and solve your live chat problem. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.